It's back to school season. If you're a parent looking to incorporate ASL into your daily homeschool routine, our ASL at Home curriculum is 30% off through the end of the month. Check out the link in the description. Hey signers! In this first video, we're going to focus on the basics, days of the week and months of the year. These are foundational signs you'll use all the time when making plans or having a simple conversation. You will also learn about the grammar rules of time, and in the next video, see examples of how to put them into phrases. Now, let's learn how to sign days and months. You've probably heard before that ASL has its own grammar. This is especially true when signing time. When you sign time in ASL, it's actually put at the beginning, and then everything else after that is in that tense. Now, let's learn how to sign months. January. January. Abbreviated J-A-N. January. February. February. F-E-B. February. March, as in the month, is fingerspelled M-A-R-C-H. March. April. April. You fingerspell April. April. May, as in the month May. You fingerspell it M-A-Y. May. June. June. You just spell J-U-N-E. June. July. July. J-U-L-Y. July. August. August. It's abbreviated A-U-G. August. September. September. It's abbreviated S-E-P-T. September. October. October. O-C-T is abbreviated for October. November. November. N-O-V for November. December. December. It's abbreviated D-E-C. December. Now, like I mentioned before, time is signed at the beginning of an ASL phrase or sentence. If you don't sign the time at the beginning, then everything is assumed to be in the present tense. Now let's learn signs for days of the week. Sunday, Sunday, or even Sunday. I do Sunday like this, but there are variations of doing it like this, or this, like as in wonderful. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Monday. Monday. It's an M hand flipped backwards. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. It's a T just backwards going in a circle. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. You have a W circling around. Wednesday. Thursday or Thursday. An H circling or a TH. Thursday, Thursday. Friday. Friday. It's an F hand flicked backwards. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. It's an S moving around in a circle. Saturday. Great job, signers. Now you have the building blocks to start signing about when things happen using the days and the months. If you're ready to take it a step further, make sure you check out part 2, where we'll cover more time-related signs and how to sign about things like schedules, frequency, and the past, present, and future. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.